Hello kids, let's learn ABC. A. A for aeroplane. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. F. F for fan. G. G for grapes. H. H for hat. I. I for ice cream. J. J for jug. K. K for kite. L. L for lion. M. M for monkey. N. N for nest. O. O for octopus. P. P for peas. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rabbit. S. S for scooter. T. T for truck. U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. W. W for watch. X. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yacht. Z. Z for zebra. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.